Ladies, you need to learn how to change tires, and I am one of that person that just keep driving and never even put any air on my tire when I leave the house or go and stop at a petrol station. But look at that. Hello, I just came back from my work supporting a client for social support today. So we went to Emu Park, Yapun. This is what happened in Yapun. I got a flat tire when we finished shopping from a place where we usually go. So we came back to the car and I just noticed there's a flat tire. Yeah, one of my tire was flat. And then all of the people that was parked there, they were also coming back to their car and said, "Oh, darling, you have a flat tire." I was like, I don't know what to do. Should I call RACQ? Because I don't know anything about tires. I know how to drive car. That's the best. That's the thing that I can only do. I don't know how to put the air, which is silly enough. I should start learning. So my next project is watch YouTube and learn how to put air and change tire. I have a spare tire at the back of the car, the little yucky one. But I don't even know how to take it off. Today I checked it and it was like screwed inside and I'm like, my God, I don't know how to do it. So it's easy for me to call RACQ. I'm covered, but I was with a client and I can't leave her. We can't be waiting for RACQ to come and rescue me. So what we did, I drove the car slowly on an indicator, like what do you call that? The safety indicator that you're in trouble. Okay, so we drove slowly to the nearest petrol station, and then I parked the car because somebody's using the pressure thing to put the air. And I don't even know how to do it, so I parked the car. I walked slowly to the gentleman and kneeled down where he was, because he was on the ground fixing his tire, and I kneeled down there to his level because I'm begging for help. I said, "Excuse me," in my face like this. "Can you please help me?" I was so embarrassed. I'm the type of person that never asks for help. I am very independent and helping. I'll die before I ask help. That's how I am. It's just me. So I was there down on the ground looking what he's doing and said, "Can you please help me?" He's an older gentleman, maybe 70s or something. And I said, "Can you please look at my tire? I don't know if there's a puncture or it's just flat or what, but I need some help." And he said, "Yeah, hang on, I'll just finish what I'm doing and then I'll reverse my car and let you park here so I can put some air." And then he asked me to move the car a little bit backwards so he can check if there's something on the tire, and he saw there's wire. He said a wire, but it wasn't a wire. It was a nail, and a nail. So we went. He put a tire there, and he put the air on the tire, and then it's inflated. It's looking normal. But when we bend down to where the tire is, I can hear air coming out. The pressure is coming out, so it's obviously there's something on it. And then he said, "Just go to the nearest mechanics," and we got some number from the mechanic, so and then I Google it. It's 3 minutes away, so I went there. It's Bridgeton in Yapun, and I went there, and we have to wait for at least more than half an hour, maybe 45 minutes before we had our turn to serve us, because somebody's in queue. So they didn't change it. They fix it because there's the nail in the tire, and then they fix it for $42.50, I think. And I was like panicking. I'm embarrassed with my client, and my client's really nice. And she said, "It's okay. We just chill down here. It's air conditioned office." We sat there and waited for the car to be fixed. But ladies, we need to learn how to change our tire, and that's my next project, to learn how to do it, and also to put some air in the tire, because I got no idea. When I first touch a car here in Australia. I don't even know how to put petrol because in Philippines we just drive through and someone will fill our car, so we just hand our card and we'll pay. That's it. We go. But here, you do it on your own, and it's like it's hard when you don't have anyone to help you. You have to learn. We do it ourselves, which I just realized now. Although I'm covered with roadside assistance, it's a hassle when you're with a client because you don't know what time they're gonna arrive, and it's just frustrating. It's embarrassing. I almost cried. I called my mother-in-law to speak to my father-in-law. That's my ex-husband's parents, and because they live around the area, and I'm like, just I don't know. I was hoping somebody could change the tire for me while we were at the service station, but no one, and it's a hassle. So it's a lesson learned, and I should know better in the future. That's all. Ladies, we can do it. Thank you.